Thanks for logging on to abc15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. It's going to be hot and humid today. We'll likely see more storms across the mountains in the high country, northern Arizona too. And then we're turning our attention to heat alerts by early next week as we start to lose some of that monsoon moisture and temperatures get hotter. Today, a high of 102. There is still a 10% chance for storms here in the valley. We'll also feel some breezes through the afternoon between about 10 and 15 miles an hour. As you look at the storm risk area across our state, all of Arizona has at least a chance for general thunderstorms, but there's also a risk of some severe weather, potentially from Yavapai County up to Coconino County and portions of Mojave County too, for storms that develop there. That means storms that do fire up in those areas will have the potential of producing some strong winds, possibly upwards of 58 miles an hour. Small hail, certainly a possibility, and some heavier downpours with dangerous lightning will be a risk too, with any storms that develop across our state. Now for the valley, a 10% chance for storms like yesterday. It'll be a struggle to get anything here in the Phoenix metro, but we can't completely rule it out as we could see a storm move in by this evening. You'll notice on Futurecast that much of the activity will be confined to Yavapai County, Coconino County as well, Sedona, Flagstaff, Kingman, Prescott. A chance for scattered thunderstorms today. Again, some of them could be strong to severe. We'll likely also watch for a few storms that could develop to our southeast, and those storms could move into portions of Pinal County, possibly sending out some gusty winds. So we'll be on the lookout for some areas of blowing dust, although the threat not that high, but the potential is still there. Going into this evening, 5 o'clock, we could see a few more storms out near Globe and Gila County, and there's a chance we see a stray storm or two move into the Phoenix area. Again, the chance just at 10%. We'll keep a 10% chance for rain in the forecast overnight into very early tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow you can expect more storms along the rim and another chance for storms here in the valley. We'll keep those storm chances at 10% every afternoon for Phoenix Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even into Saturday, before we start to bring in some drier air. With that drier air, we clear out those valley storm chances, and temperatures, they trend up. By Sunday, we could hit 110, possibly hotter by early next week. Now today we're back under an air quality alert. An ozone high pollution advisory is in effect today, and it's also been extended into tomorrow too. That means ozone concentrations will potentially reach unhealthy levels. We saw that happen yesterday. Today could be the case again. Unhealthy levels for people with breathing sensitivities. If that impacts you, then you may want to limit your time outdoors today and over the next few days. Today's high temperatures in the low hundreds. Our 30-year average 106, so it looks like we'll still be below average today. 102 in Phoenix, 103 at Lake Havasu. We'll hit 90 in Sedona with 80 in Flagstaff, low 80s today in Show Low. Then overnight tonight, those temperatures dropping into the upper 50s in Flagstaff by sunrise, down into the 70s in Kingman and Sedona, and lows will fall into the low 80s across much of the Phoenix metro by Thursday morning. Our overnight lows down into the low 80s in Gilbert, Glendale, and Laveen. Not seeing many 70s to start the day tomorrow. Expect those warm temperatures and also some more humidity to kick off the day. So muggy conditions sticking around for a few days still. Our temperatures at 102 today. It's getting a little hotter Thursday and Friday, up to 106 and 107. Saturday still at 107. Then the heat goes up another notch, 110 by Sunday. By Monday and Tuesday, we will be under an excessive heat watch with temperatures topping out between 110 and 115 both days.